Hi, my name is Dr. Stacey Lambert, and I'm the Vice President for Academic Affairs at William James College, and welcome to our open house. It's a pleasure at these events to tell you a little bit about the different things we think that make our particular school special, because we know there are lots of choices, and it is a big commitment to decide where you want to be and where you fit best. So we have 4 academic departments, and you'll learn more about them throughout your programming of the open house. We have a clinical psychology department, a counseling and behavioral health department, as well as a school psychology department and an organizational and leadership department. One of the things that's interesting, regardless of which program that you select, is that there's a cross-fertilization across the different departments. And so you will be primarily in one academic department, but the faculty really share best teaching practices as well as content with each other. There's lots of co-curricular activities that happen and academic concentrations where people have a chance to engage with students and faculty across the department. So that is particularly exciting. We also offer a great deal of field education at our college, and so the value of integrated education, of getting to take your courses as well as try out the things that you're learning in the field in real time, people favor that as a real compelling reason to come to our school. In fact, when you ask alumni frequently what was your favorite thing about us, that is something that's often cited. Similarly, I think another trend that stands out has to do with the strong sense of community. And our school is a rather small school, and so people really get to know you. And I think that matches nicely with one of our other core values, which has to do with personal growth. And so it's important to us to know each and every one of our students and what their career trajectory is, as well as their personal interests. So we take a lot of time to really invest in each student, and that's something we're really proud of. We also take a great pride in our interest and expertise in diversity, equity, and inclusion. And so you will find that pervasive across all of the programs and embedded in the curriculum, as well as community meetings and discussions that we have. We really are very attentive to developing cultural competence in our community. We have a terrific set of student statistics, which you can find on our web, in terms of looking at very low attrition, as well as time to completion rates that are most people will actually enter the program and complete in a reasonable time as they are prescribed in the program. And we're able to accomplish that because of the close attention to your development while you're here, as well as the support services that we have. We have a strong academic resource center, which you may wish to avail yourself of, but the combined personal growth and the support for the students and a very cutting-edge curriculum all really come together nicely, we think, in our academic product. So we invite you to learn more about the different programs and how William James could be the next part of your journey on your path. So we welcome you and hope you will learn a lot and avail yourself of, we have lots of good admissions folks who will answer your questions for you, as well as program directors. So get your questions answered and see how we fit for you, but we hope to see you soon. And thank you. Enjoy the open house.